Hey YouTubers, what's up? This is gonna be Phil Lamar with Yeah Boy Automotive Engineering. We're gonna shoot another video today. We're gonna actually be working on a 2007 Toyota Camry. If you have a 2007 Toyota Camry or a 2000 to 2004 Lexus ES330, you'll be interested to see this. Okay, hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry about the pause. As you can see, this is a V6. Again, I said this is a 2007 Toyota Camry with a V6. What we're going to actually be doing is changing out what are called the variable valve timing solenoids. This guy had a check engine light that came on, so we did a diagnostic on it. Came back saying that the code kicked out a VVT solenoids were bad and were malfunctioning. So since I couldn't find one on this particular car when I searched all over the web, I decided when one came my way that I was actually going to shoot a video about it. So if you're having this problem and you're getting check engine light with your VVTs going bad, let me show you what to do and where everything's located. Hold on, I'll be right back. Sorry about the pause. Okay, so first thing you're going to want to do is, of course, you're going to remove the intake cover or your engine cover off the top. It just clips in, so just go ahead and clip it out, pop it out of the way, and set it aside. Always remember to disconnect your negative battery cable, because the simple fact that since we're going to be messing with electrical parts, we want the computer to be able to kick back in and actually read what happened, okay? So those are going to be the first two things. Second thing you're going to do to make this nice, simple, and easy for you is there's going to be some plug-ins here. Some plugs right here. These are going to go down here to the fuel injectors, okay? This is one of the fuel injector units right here. You're going to unplug all three of those in the front. 1, 2, and 3. Just unplug all that. It's because of this harness. This harness right here actually sits on top of 2 of the VVT solenoids. So you're going to want to get this harness up and out of the way if you possibly can, all right? They also plug in a couple plug-ins in the front, which are going into our spark plug housings, which are right here, okay? So we're going to get those unplugged. Bada bing, bada boom. Once those are all unplugged, there's a little bolt that's way down here on the side right here. I probably can't get to it, but it'll just make it easier to lift the harness up. That's basically it. Once that harness comes up, you'll be able to see where your variable VVTs are located. This is a variable valve timing solenoid right here, and there's 2 up front. There's one here, and there's one that goes right here that I already took out. Hold on, let me show you what that looks like. Here it is right here. These are your variable valve timing solenoids. This one actually goes right here in the front. Bada bing, bada boom. There he is, right? So since it's underneath your harness, again, really important to try to loosen up as much as you can with the harness. Once you get that harness out of the way, you're going to see that puppy sitting right in front of you. Go ahead and unplug it. 10mm screw goes in right there. Let's get your 10mm socket and undo it. Go ahead, twist, and lift that puppy out. This is for replacement for the front ones. So there's one for the front. Here's a second one for the front, brand new, that I just put in, okay? So make sure you look for those. Again, I searched all over the web, couldn't find anyone with this information and where they were located, so I kind of had to find them myself. Also, camshaft. Camshaft positional sensors are up front, and there's 2 of them. Actually, there's 4 of them for this 2007. One's right here, again, located in the front, just right across from the VVT. So here's one. Then there's another one over here. These are all actually individually set up so that they can work and correspond with each cam. So since this has 4 cams, there's an overhead cam here, and there's an overhead cam here. So these all have to have individual sensors, right? All right, so they're the VVTs for, again, for a 2007 Toyota Camry and or 2004 to 2007 Lexus, and that's where those are located. So if you look directly in the back near the intake manifold, you'll see one of the other VVT valves back here that my finger is actually going to touch. There I am, I'm touching it. There's one here. Now the last one, guys, is actually going to be underneath the intake manifold. So if you're going to do all four, you're going to have to remove this intake manifold cover. All right, so for those of us who were always looking for where the VVTs were located, now you know where they're located. Those first two are up front, and this is again 2007 Toyota Camry. There's one right there in the back, and there's going to be one underneath the intake manifold. All right, so I hope this is going to help some of you guys find those things. They're pretty easy to take out. 10mm bolt or 10mm ratchet and socket's really all you're going to need. And that's really going to be about it, unless you're going to change your camshaft positioner sensors. Again, there's four of those. There's the third one right there, and again, the fourth one is going to be underneath the intake manifold. All right, I hope this helps some of you guys out that I did the research for it. Make sure you leave comments, likes, and subscribe if you want, okay? All right, talk to you later.